This 2015 Pleasureway Excel TS is a Class B RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Pleasureway is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, TV antenna, air conditioning, auxiliary battery. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.